What's up, Evo World players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end.
Want free gems in Evo World without risking your account? I've got 7 legit tricks that actually work. Stick around for tip number 7, it's the easiest. Hey everyone, Gaming Legend 333. If you love Evo World, smash like and subscribe. I post tips, builds, and giveaways every week. Let's dive in. Number 1. Don't skip daily logins. Evo World often stacks rewards. Even 3 to 7 consecutive days can net you gems. B-roll. Show calendar, login screen and claim animation. Voice. Daily quests and limited time events are gem gold. Finish the simple tasks. Play for 10 to 15 minutes and you can clear multiple quests. B-roll. Quest list, completing tasks, event banner. Watch for seasonal events and event passes. Some free tiers give gems for hitting milestones. Don't sleep on these limited time rewards. B-roll. Event progress bar plus reward pop. Follow Evo World on socials and Discord. Devs drop promo codes during live streams and updates. I'll show where to enter them. B-roll. Social page screenshots, or animated icons, plus code entry screen. On-screen text. Pro tip. Use bookmarks for the game's Twitter, Discord. If the game offers rewarded ads or partner offers, use them. They're quick and risk-free ways to grab small gem packs. B-roll. Add reward pop-up. Join community giveaways. Streamers, creators, and the game community often host gem giveaways. Participate in contests. B-roll. Giveaway post, streamer overlay. Invite friends. Many games give both players gem bonuses on referrals. Team up and both win. B-roll. Invite screen plus friend joining animation. Those are 7 legit ways to get free gems, no hacks, no risk. Which one are you trying first? Comment below. If you want me to make a follow-up with exact event watch times or code lists, hit like and subscribe. See you in Evo World.